To create a digital scrapbook in Canva, you want to come to templates here and click on templates, and you come over here and search for scrapbook. You want to look at all this and pick an idea from it that you want to work with. If you really like any template, you want to click on that scrapbook and start to design with it. And you're going to click on customize this template. In the editor here, you want to start bringing in your own images just to make this scrapbook your own. I'll go to my upload. You can upload your files from here. I already have my files in here. And I'm going to start to pull it in to replace these images. Click on this image because it's facing here. I want to flip horizontally, and we replace the images in this scrapbook. If you still want to get a different style of scrapbook to add to this, you can click on the plus sign here to add in a new page and go back to templates. There is no point designing anything from scratch. We already have templates that are built in here in Canva that you can easily use and make it your own. If you see any scrapbook that catches your attention, you want to continue designing with, you can easily just click the scrapbook and it drops into your page like this. Also start changing things in the scrapbook by pulling in your own images into the scrapbook. And you can click on the image and go to crop here and see how to resize your photo so that it can be seen properly. And you click on done. For these letters, this is grouped. I can come to ungroup them and come into this letter 5 and click these 3 dots and come down and go to info so I can get the exact elements that was used. Because this is a collection, I'm going to click on view collection, but if you don't see a collection, you click on see more like this. I'm going to open up this collection and I will just pull in 6 and replace this one like this, and I've changed that here in my scrapbook. Once you're happy with the output of changing the templates and making it your own, next thing you want to do is to click on the share button. I want to click on public view link to share this link to anyone so they can view my scrapbook without having to download and send them a file. I'll click on create public view link and copy this link and send it to whomsoever I want to view this scrapbook.